The lesson kit includes three main sections. One overview section that just gets you into how to use this lesson kit, some how-to guides. It also shows us some teacher guides and also some student activity pages. Now, this entire package is available in OneNote. So I'm going to go ahead and launch that now. Now, OneNote Online is a tool that's available in any web browser everywhere. If you have an internet connection, you can get to OneNote Online. And one of the reasons we use OneNote for curriculum is because it's organized just like a digital 3-ring binder. And that means that it kind of makes sense in education. So the overview section, you can see, has a table of contents and breaks us into how to use these materials and also how to access some of the tools that the Emergenetics team thought might best support the use of this curriculum. We also have a whole section for teacher guides and a whole section for student pages. Now, anyone can also open this entire curriculum in a OneNote app. If you had OneNote on your device, which is available on every device on the planet for free, then you can open this up in OneNote. And what's great about that is that it gives you the opportunity to access it, anytime, any place without going through a web browser, which is just a nice feature. So I'm going to go ahead and show what this looks like in the web, or in the desktop version of OneNote in the app as well. Just bringing this over here. It looks identical. And this, again, gives you access to it. You can see I have lots of notebooks here. This is the one I have open right now, and it gives me a chance to click without waiting for a web page to load, which is also kind of lovely. So this notebook and curriculum guide really stands alone. It gives you lots of background about Emergenetics. It gives you background about all the activities. It also gives you information about the in-game tutorial. So you don't have to worry if your students or learners don't already know how to use Minecraft. There is a tutorial built into the game that greets them as they come in. If they say they already know how to use Minecraft, they can teleport right out of that tutorial. But if they haven't used Minecraft before, it walks them through how to move, how to place blocks, how to mine blocks, and how to interact with the game. It also gives them some tips, like interacting with the response bots in a positive way will earn you more rewards. And those are things that all students can benefit from. So in this teacher guide, you can see if I had learners who were working through Yellow Sculptures lesson, and I wanted to know what they were working on that day, I can pop over here, and as an educator, I can read all the NPC text without being in the game. I can see what the student is being asked to do in their reflection time. I have a rubric built in that I can use to assess their work. And I can also follow up with some resources if I had students who had more questions, and it also gives me a chance to preview the links that may be happening in the game. Now, I did mention about the student page. So this is a link, or I can travel within OneNote using the OneNote navigation over to the student page. So this is the accompanying student page. Now, as a OneNote user, I could choose to print this to PDF if I really needed to distribute it that way. But one of the best things that's built into OneNote is a tool called Class Notebook that allows me to just send this page and any page in the entire student resource section to the students directly to their own OneNote notebook.